Hey boys and girls, this week we're going to be working on learning 2D shapes. So these are two-dimensional shapes. So what we're going to do is I want you to color the shape, write the name, and then practice drawing it yourself. So the first one is a square. So you can color it whatever color you want, but I want you to practice coloring the square. And yes, you have to. Say hi. Johnny, say hi.
Hi.
Johnny just came in while I was working. So this is a square. So we're going to trace the word square. And then I want you to try drawing a square. And Johnny's going to help us with the next shape. What is the next shape, John?
A triangle.
So we're going to color the inside of the triangle first. So Johnny's going to color it. He's choosing to color it red. Okay, then he's going to trace over the word triangle. And then Johnny's going to draw a triangle. Good. Okay, so our next shape is a circle. So we're going to color the circle any color you want. Yep.
Yeah.
And then we're going to trace over the word circle like this. And then we're going to draw a circle. Okay, Johnny's going to do the next one. Johnny, what's the next one?
A rectangle.
So color the rectangle. Okay. Good. And then we're going to write the word rectangle.
Pardon my drawing.
That's okay.
I'm just not drawing.
That's all right. You did just fine. It's hard with the pen. And then, Johnny, what's the difference between a square and a rectangle when you draw it?
A square is not technically a rectangle, but and a rectangle has bigger sides on the side. And a square has all 4 equal sides.
Good. So a square has the same length of sides, and the rectangle has 2 different sizes. Good.
Yeah, and a square is a special type of rectangle.
Yeah. So the next one is a pentagon. Johnny, how many sides does a pentagon have?
Hold on. 6. 5.
1, 2, 3.
5. 5.
Yeah, penta means 5. I think you're talking about this in 2nd grade right now, aren't you?
Yep.
Yep. So this is a pentagon. Penta means 5.
Yeah.
So pentagon. So we're gonna do 5 sides. It looks kind of like a house.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, last one is a what?
A hexagon.
And what does hexa mean?
6.
Good. So a hexagon has 6 sides. Wait, you gotta color it. And then we're gonna trace hexagon. That's fine.
Okay.
So penta means 5 and a hexagon is 6. And so we can remember the pentagon is more like a house. The hexagon is more like a soccer ball. Good. Excellent job, Johnny.
The hexagon's the hardest one, in my opinion.
Thank you for helping us.
Wait,
Hold on. We got to go back. On the second side, I promised you no more rocket math. So we are going to do finding the difference. So, and then there's a little key of what color you're supposed to color the little smiley faces. So all of the 2s are blue. All of the 4s, let's see if we can find a purple, are purple. 3s are orange. And 5s are red. So Johnny and I are going to help you with the first row, and then I want all the first graders to do their the second, 3rd, 4th, and 5th rows. So 8 minus 6, Johnny, what's the answer to that?
The answer is 2, which means we're going to color that blue. If we can find it.
Oop.
There we go.
Oop.
What? Okay, we got that. Let's color it in.
Whoa. It kind of looks purple. Should we do a different?
Yeah, let's do a different one.
There we go.
And then the next one has to be 4. What do we color it with? You're correct. We color it with 4s.
Purple.
Yeah, and we color it with purple. Okay, now you gotta guess the second one. What do you think it is? Yep, you are correct. The answer is red.
Good.
And then you guys are gonna do those rows on yourself.
And then show your teacher when you're done.
Yep.
Thanks for your help, Johnny.
Uh-huh.